plaintiff, Deanell Jones, dated the defendant, but he claims things went downhill after she got pregnant because she became insecure. Deanell says things got so out of hand that the defendant even tried to run him over with her car, and he's suing her today for damages to his property. Defendant Naomi Tillman says the reason she was so insecure was because Deanell was cheating on her, and he even got another woman pregnant while Naomi was pregnant. Naomi claims Deanell was also physically abusive and once punched her in the face while she was driving, and she's countersuing him for car damages.
All rise. This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Greg Mathis presiding. You may now be seated.
Prove your case.
Okay, this all began in 2007. It was May of 2007. I met her through a friend of the family. We decided to get together in June of 08. She became pregnant, and after she became pregnant, basically like everything started going downhill because she's like really insecure. As a result of that, we broke up. I got another friend of mine pregnant as a result of that as well. And basically,
obviously you work and make enough money to support children.
Yes.
Okay. Let me hear from you, ma'am. Give me some background.
When I came home one day when I was pregnant, he had this girl in our house. And
what?
Yes, he spent the night with this girl in our house while I was gone. And
Where
I
were
came
you?
home.
You were out overnight too then.
She was MIA.
You all were living together, right?
No,
Were you living together or not?
Yes.
All right. Just want to ask a couple of basic questions. You weren't there all night.
Right.
Okay. Were you in the hospital?
No.
Were you in jail?
No.
So where were you all night?
I left because he was irritating me while I was pregnant.
Irritating you in what manner?
He continued to have his family members over and friends drinking all night while I was trying to sleep. And I also have a daughter, and I asked him not to, and he would not respect my wishes.
That was the night before?
That was every day. I just had enough.
All right, so why'd you come back?
Because I thought that he learned his lesson from
Overnight?
staying up.
She assumed.
Gotcha.
She assumed.
Anything else you want to tell me on the background in terms of when you broke up? What was the circumstances surrounding that?
Just the cheating.
All right.
Supposedly cheating. The story is that I thought that she was with her other baby father. And I thought that she went to Chicago because I called. She was over at a friend's house, and I called over there, and she didn't answer. So I was assuming that she was out with someone else. So.
Did you ever find out?
No, he didn't find out before he did what he did.
All right. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. Let's fast forward to August of 2000, this year. We're coming from the west side or whatever, and we were riding to her house in Rockford, and we had a verbal dispute. And as a result of that, I got out of the car. And when I got out of the car, she tried to hit me with the car. I had to hide behind a tree.
Uh-oh.
So she was my worst nightmare that day. So,
Did you have relatives in the car drinking?
No, sir.
What was it then?
He actually punched me that day.
Oh, yeah, right.
That's why he thought I was trying to run him over.
I didn't hit you.
Did you call the police?
The police were called. There were no arrests made. No order of protection or anything, but the police were called.
No report either?
Yes, I called the police.
You have a police report on this incident?
Yes, I do. Because he, in fact, bust my windshield.
And what property are you suing? She ran over your boots, or you have the boots there? She missed you, but she got the boots.
I'm getting to this. Okay. Let me go ahead and get to the boots. Okay.
Well, let me allow her to respond. This is a different incident, the boots?
Yes.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Well, he had punched me a few times because I was asking him about this girl.
You were driving?
Yes.
No. And he punched you?
Yes. Because he...
Didn't hurt?
It hurt, yes. That's why.
Didn't cause your face to turn?
No.
Didn't cause you to lose control?
No. And I stopped and I asked him to get out, and so he got out, so he's assuming that I tried to run him over.
Okay.
And so
Did you speak with the police?
Yes.
Did you tell the police he assaulted you?
Yes.
Did they put it in the report?
Yes.
Did they act on it?
He was going to go to jail because he bust my windshield and he stepped on my car.
That same incident.
That same incident.
False.
And I have pictures of the things that he did to my car.
Let's see it. Sir, what did you do that day to her car, if anything?
That day, after she insisted on running me over, I can't deny that.
You say when she insisted, you all discussed it, and then she said,
No,
She said, no, I gotta run you over.
No.
Queen say she insisted.
She was very tenacious.
All right, when people insist, sir, it's pursuant to a discussion.
Well, I apologize. Terminology wasn't on point.
All right.
I hid behind approximately 3 trees. 3 trees.
Okay.
I feel like I was at war.
Right. And what did you do?
I went to where a car was parked on the picture, and she was just talking smack. I was like, "You almost just killed me," Unfortunately, I had an adrenaline rush. I threw the chair at the car, and it hit the windshield, and that's about it.
And you walked on the car?
All right.
I didn't walk on that car. No, that's not true at all.
Tell me about what she did to you to cause you to sue her for property damage today, other than run you over.
Well,
and hurt your boots.
I love these boots. They just stink now.
Obviously.
Okay.
Go ahead.
She called and she was making threats about throwing my belongings away. So I contacted the sheriff's office.
Okay. And she did.
And she did a pretty good job of getting rid of it.
This is another incident.
Okay. Ma'am?
This is another incident.
I was getting to that.
I threw all his stuff away. Like a month ago, he was involved with another girl, and all his clothes is at my house. And he called from the girl's phone and told me that, why am I telling her that he lives with me and that we're together? So I told him that his clothes were going to be in a dumpster, and he came right and got them out.
You saw him get them out?
Yes, sir.
No, she didn't.
You have a list of the things that were in the dumpster? And,
yes, Your Honor.
How were they damaged?
Well, the thing is, the dumpster, it had a lot of dirty diapers in it. It had a lot of trash in it. I had to have my clothes washed early. My boots, they have a continuous odor. And, I was going to work and everything. And people at work was telling me that my feet stink. I don't want my feet to stink, and my feet wouldn't stink.
You didn't stink before that.
If she didn't throw it, no.
Your feet never stunk before
everyone
that.
has athlete's foot every now and then.
Right, that might have been what that was then. Don't try to blame her for your stinking athlete's feet. You just admit you have athlete's feet every now and then.
Yeah.
I don't. You say everybody, I don't. I wash mine regularly and put powder on there, everything. I do everything to avoid it. You have athlete's feet every now and then?
Never.
All right, I was about to say, you nasty too. Now, what did you do with the clothes after you took them out of the garbage?
I put them in a bag and I took them home with me.
All right, let's go to you. You're countersuing for car damage, $4,028. How so?
Well, he has a reputation of being very violent and angry with me. I've called the police on him around 10 times, and he gets mad at me and takes it out on my car or physically or verbally abused me. I have a witness statement from my brother.
You tell me what happened.
We were at my mother's house
When?
a couple weeks ago. I say about 3 weeks ago. And I told him to take me over there because he was really angry and he was telling me what he was going to do to me when we got home. So we pull up to my mom's house. So I pull the keys out of the ignition and I grab the kids and I run in the house. And he got mad and he walked on the car again, and then he opened up the door and stood on the door and jumped up and down. And now the door doesn't close and I have the door tied up with a rope.
Okay.
And I have pictures for that.
All right. You have an estimate for the repairs?
Yes.
Sir, what do you want to tell me about that incident?
She stranded me over her mom's house. She pulled the keys out of the ignition and she called me out of my name. And she took the kids. And she said, I'm going to get you arrested here. So as a result of that, I got out of the vehicle. I don't know what she's allegedly saying about me jumping on the door up and down. I consider that to be quite false. The door was already broken anyway.
Did you damage the car at all?
Did I damage it?
You've
Yes.
done a lot of talking, but you haven't said anything.
Yes, I damaged
With
the car.
your children witnessing it. Good
I damaged
enough.
the car.
Good enough, sir. What is that? You have something else? All you've told me about is clothes and stinking shoes.
Also,
Now, is that Are you suing
Not
for
just-
the laptop?
Yes, I'm suing for a laptop.
Was that in the garbage?
This is in the garbage. This was found in the garbage broken. Also have some other physical evidence. She actually broke my eyeglasses and she mailed them to me. I have this evidence here with me.
Okay.
Here's the property damage estimate.
All right. Let me see. Do you have it broken down with the laptop and the glasses
Yes, sir.
separately? Laptop, glasses, looks like about $1,100. Stinking boots, $140. I believe your clothing can be repaired or cleaned at the cleaners. $500 in case you have to have the clothes cleaned a few times. However, you've admitted to damaging her car on 2 different occasions, the last of which you did in front of your children. Therefore, I'm going to grant her entire judgment based on the estimates.
$2,288.
All right, you owe her $2,288. That is my judgment. Have a good day, guys.
I'm not sure right now, but I plan on being there for my children, because I am a responsible adult.
I'm just glad that this case is over, and I just want to stay away from him for now.
Ditto.